Right now, we're observing a sharp increase in world sentiment, with a score of plus 0.12 and a momentum of plus 0.38. This spike is particularly striking compared to the historical baseline. Sentiment hasn't seen this level of upward movement in weeks. What does this mean for you? Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of world sentiment, including 20 semantic clusters, that help you understand the nuances driving this change. Imagine you're building a sentiment-driven trading strategy, or a news aggregation app. This data could alert you to emerging trends before they become mainstream, giving you a critical edge. For more on how to leverage this data in your projects, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.